Hi YouTube viewers, welcome to my channel, and this is a miniature dollhouse that I got at a flea market in Connecticut. I had done a video previously and I had not done the flooring yet, so I'm already done with all the flooring. The lighting works. As I said, this lighting, you just plug it in. It's all wired already and it came that way and it works. And I only paid $20 for it. The floors are adhesive underneath. This is adhesive, so I had to do a lot of cutting, a lot of measuring in order to make the floors, look presentable. And then this is the kitchen. I did it all in black and white, completely black and white. And so now we're just going to be decorating it with all the furniture. We'll be moving in. And then in the outside, the front of the house, oh look, if you look through the window there, look, you can see the light. So this is it. This is the red and white house, red, white, and black, that I had previously made a video on. So, thanks for watching.